Hi everybody, today I'm here to unbox this beautiful unicorn painting set. So let's open it. It's like a cute briefcase of art. So let's open it. Can you see beautiful markers and crayons? Let's see. The colors are so satisfying. The cute sharpener and the cute eraser, and there are so many crayons, markers, and paints as well. You can use watercolors. You can do watercolor painting. This is a paintbrush. Can you see how cute is this? This is in pink color. Now I have this cute pink scissors. This can cut the papers, so you can cut the papers easily. And you can see these pencil colors, and you can also use these cute little crayons. Can you see the variety of markers of unicorn? Yes. Here is the cute scale, and you can draw the straight lines. And there are some more tools for drawing. And this kit is really amazing. So, thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel for more amazing videos and crafts. So we are going to make so many drawing tutorials with this amazing kit. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.